Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Ujwala and I am soon to be a second year BMS student at the Indian Institute of Management, Sirmaur. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the most important tips that will help you ace your IPM interviews, be it for IIM Ranchi, Rohtak, Indore or Sirmaur. These tips will definitely help you. I have learned these tips the hard way, but I'm going to share all of these tips with you for free. So stay tuned till the end. Also, before you ask me कि आप eligible कैसे हैं ये सारी tips देने के, तो last year I appeared for IIM Rohtak and IIM Sirmaur's interview, so I think I'm very much eligible to give you all of those tips. In this particular video, I've already shared all of the questions I was asked in IIM Rohtak and IIM Sirmaur's interview, all of the mistakes I did in the interview, and things that you can learn from my mistakes. So I'm not going to repeat all of those things in this video. And also, all of the tips that are there in this video are not like newspaper पढ़ लो या फिर अपना chapter revise कर लो. These things are going to definitely help you. So yeah, let's begin. So you or your friend couldn't crack IP math this year. It hurts. I get it. But here's the truth. One missed shot doesn't define your journey. What you do next does. That's why Physics Wala brings you IP Math Master Quest 2.0, the ultimate prep course for IP Math and JIPMAT 2026 aspirants. What is all that you'll get here? You'll get live plus recorded classes that you can watch anytime. Daily practice papers with video solutions. Weekly tests with deep analysis to track your progress. You'll get 15 plus full-length mock tests and all the subjects will be covered: VARC, LRDI, Quant and Current Affairs. And yes, a 24/7 doubt support. Your mentors will be Juhi Narula ma'am, Gaurav Gupta sir, Rishabh sir and Vineet sir, and all of this at an amazing price of just rupees 3,999. If you want to upgrade to IP Mat Pro, what all that you'll get everything that is there in the Master Quest, plus 30 plus full-length mock test. Subject-wise, physical books will be delivered to your doorstep. You'll get an access to Khazana, the premium batch content from 2023 and 2024. You will get unlimited practice and full test series access. And of course, a 24/7 doubt engine. You will get IP Mat Pro 2026 at an amazing price of just rupees 6,999. And if you use my coupon code along with all of this, you'll get an additional 500 rupees off. This isn't just another batch. This is your second chance, your comeback. So don't wait for someday. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's move to the video. The very first tip is be a mirror and not a mask. What I mean by that is, जब आप अंदर जाते हो, most of the people, हम सब, even me, we all try to be the ideal candidate. द आइडियल कैंडिडेट जिसकी इंग्लिश बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी और जो बहुत अच्छी फ्लुएंसी से इंग्लिश बोल देता है. दैट इज़ नॉट वट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर. दे आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर पीपल विद गुड इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी और good vocabulary. This is not the test of your vocabulary, okay? The moment you take off that mask and you mirror your real self, आप reality में हो क्या, that is the time they'll start listening to you. Tip number 2, You are not Google. Understand कि कुछ questions ऐसे हो सकते हैं जो आपको नहीं आ सकते because आप एक Google नहीं है, आप एक कोई search engine नहीं है जिसको सारी चीज़ें पता होंगी. Okay, तो what happened with one of my friends was, उसने दिया था IIM इंदौर का interview, ठीक है. तो what happened in there, the panelist asked him who is the governor of RBI right now. So he got blanked because he forgot the name. Now, in this situation, most of us will panic. But what he did, he cleverly answered. He said, Sir, I have forgotten the name of the RBI governor right now. But what I know is RBI was set up in 1935 under the Reserve Bank of India. And he also mentioned कि जो RBI है, I've recently heard in the news that RBI की जो powers हैं, that has expanded from monetary policies to digital regulations. So this is how he admitted that yes sir, I don't know, but at the same time he added on जितना उसे पता था to show that yes, I do have the knowledge about the particular thing, but I have currently forgotten. So he accepted that he doesn't know it. You need to accept that you don't know a particular question. Admit it. अगर कुछ पता है तो add on कर दो. Okay, this is maturity. You need to know you are not perfect. You are not going to know all of the questions. So you need to prepare the answers to the questions you're not going to know. Tip number 3, you can add some spark. Now with Spark, what I mean is, जब वो आपको पूछें, introduce yourself. Don't just start reciting your CV like crazy. Sir, my name is this. I'm from this place. I scored this much in my class 10, this much in my class 12th. This is literally boring. What you can go ahead with is, you can just say what I mentioned was, I said, sir, I'm really curious with how like certain brands they become unforgettable while other certain brands that are popular, they don't have that loyal fan base. So I was curious to know what made Apple have such loyal fans and the other companies they don't have such loyal fans. जैसे ही मैंने ये वाली चीज़ बोली, the interviewer he got really interested and he really got hooked. So he asked me कि अभी तक what have you noticed? Like, why is it so that Apple has such loyal fan base and not other companies that are popular too? This is how you direct your interviews. Tip number 4, your interest. So when they ask you what are your hobbies, don't just randomly speak any hobby. Surface level पे कोई भी hobby मत बोल देना. You can say what kind of like hobby or why. For example, if you say I love reading books, you can say, sir, I love reading books like biographies of which person, like Mary Kom, because they teach me maybe discipline or they keep me motivated. Or you can also say, like, for example, sir, I really like playing chess. It teaches me to stay 3 steps ahead in game, not just in game, in life in general, like in studies. You can link your hobbies to your character trait that will show self awareness. Tip number 5, why. You should know your why. What do I mean by that? They'll definitely ask you. बहुत बार पूछा जाता है. So the chances of asking this question is a lot. Why IPM? तो रटा रटाया आंसर मत देना. I want to be a manager, I want to be a CEO, I want to study in an IIM. That is a रटा रटाया आंसर. It shows कि आपने थोड़ा सा भी एफर्ट पुट नहीं किया है आंसर में जब आप बोलोगे. Can actually relate a lot of things. Think थोड़ा सा deeply. अभी जब आप आंसर्स लिखोगे अपने घर में थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर करोगे, you can think थोड़ा सा deeply and prepare better answers. So for example, you can say, sir, I always wanted to study diverse subjects in my field because I myself wanted to learn a lot about different subjects. So before I get specialized in management, I'm getting an opportunity to learn such diverse subjects. So that is something that made me curious to know what is there in IPM, and I really want to pursue that. That is there. Maybe you can say, sir, I'm from a rural background and there the career options are limited to medicine or engineering, and IPM was a way that gave me a different perspective to career, something like that. You can have your own why, and that why is going to be, it should be genuine. Okay, like you should not randomly say I want to be a manager, a CEO. That is why. Tip number 6, know your basics like a boss. Okay, what do I mean by that is, if you're from any stream, ठीक है, for example आप commerce है, know what is inflation, know how GST works, what is the difference between equity and debt, know what are the basic core concepts of your particular stream. For example, if you're from science background, you can go ahead with refraction, reflection, velocity, escape velocity, gravitational pull and stuff like that, organic IUPAC naming, and then you can also go ahead with your integration, differentiation. And whenever you are answering your question, be clear and be confident with your answer. Tip number 7, your opinion. Okay, for example, if they ask you such questions जिसमें आपको खुद का opinion देना होगा, okay, for or against वाले statements maybe. For example, if they ask you what are your opinions on AI and education, or impact of AI on education. So you need to make sure you are using the neutral tone, like you are neutral. Secondly, you can, unless and until they say choose one side, अगर वो बोलते हैं कि for या फिर against में ही बोलना है, you have to choose one side. That is another thing, but you need to be neutral with the tone. Okay, so you need to be neutral. Second, you need to be very clear with what you are saying. You could answer this question in a way like, sir, AI has definitely made education accessible, but more passive. So the person who is using the AI should know how to balance. That's it. That is your point. You have a balanced opinion. AI has definitely worked with making education accessible, but it has made everything more passive. That's it. Tip number 8, and very important, that is to practice in front of the mirror. See, if you're not speaking your answers out loud in your house right now, you are not ready for the interview. Stand in front of the mirror, or maybe if you're comfortable, go for a friend, or if you're not, you can just stand in front of the mirror and you can speak your answers out loud. For example, you can say, introduce yourself. Now you should start speaking your introduction. And what you need to watch out is for your tone, for your expressions and your gestures. Check कि क्या आप मम्मल कर रहे हैं, क्या आप बहुत ज़्यादा रश कर रहे हैं, या फिर यू आर लुकिंग डेड इनसाइड. यू नो, डूइंग दिस थिंग फॉर 10 minutes every day, जब तक आपका इंटरव्यू का डेट आती है पास, इट विल मेक यू अपेयर 10 times मोर कॉन्फिडेंट रियल इंटरव्यू के दिन. सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस हर दिन फॉर like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever is feasible. This will really help you in the real interview. Tip number 9, pause. तो मे बी ये हो सकता है कि वो तुम्हारे आगे कुछ ऐसे स्ट्रेंज क्वेश्चंस थ्रो कर दें, जैसे मेरी दोस्त के साथ हुआ था. शी वॉज गिवन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट आइटम शी वॉज गिवन, एंड शी वॉज आस्क्ड दैट शी नीड टू सेल दैट आइटम टू अ blind person. Okay, तो for example, if you are given this pencil, okay, and you're asked to sell this pencil to a blind person, okay, you don't have to rush into giving the answer. You can take a pause, थोड़ा calm mind से, use your presence of mind, and you can answer थोड़ा अच्छे से. You can say, sir, I may not be able to sell this pencil by the visuals, but I can share my experience of how this pencil works, how the grip of the pencil is, and how this pencil smells like. Maybe काम रहोगे ना तो उतना ईजी होगा तुम्हारे लिए. टिप नंबर 10, योर बॉडी पॉस्चर मैटर्स. सो सबसे पहली चीज़, बिफोर यू इवन स्पीक, योर बॉडी विल स्पीक बिफोर योर माउथ डज. सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर योर पोस्चर इज इरेक्ट. यू नीड टू लुक कॉन्फिडेंट. आई नो अंदर से तुमको क्या फील हो रहा होगा, बट यू स्टिल नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट यू अपेयर काम. हैव अ जेंटल स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. इट विल मेक यू काम एज वेल. इवन इफ थोड़ा सा भी आपको नर्वसनेस फील हो रही है, थोड़ा सा स्माइल कर लो, अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगी. ठीक है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, रिजेक्शन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बहुत मेहनत की थी, नहीं सिलेक्शन हुआ, इट्स ओके. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि यू आर काम. ठीक है, एंड स्माइल, हैव अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस, सिट कॉन्फिडेंटली, पैट योर बैक क्योंकि तुम इंटरव्यू राउंड तक पहुंच चुके हो, एंड बी प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ दैट यू हैव रीच्ड इतना लेवल पे. सो डोंट गेट डिसहार्टेंड. ठीक है, पहले ही डोंट थिंक नेगेटिवली, शो योर रियल सेल्फ, डोंट बी फेक. People who are real are the ones who are loved the most. Okay, bonus tip for you, जब तुम इंटरव्यू में जा रहे होगे तो खुद को बस एक चीज़ बोलना कि इट इज़ ओके. अगर इंटरव्यू अच्छा नहीं जाता है, इट इज़ ओके. ठीक है, नर्वस होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, नर्वस होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई नो हम सबको कैसा फील होता है. आई हैव बीन इन योर प्लेस. आई नो एग्जैक्टली हाउ यू आर फीलिंग राइट नाउ एंड हाउ यूल फील when you'll be sitting for the interview. I know how it feels, but trust me on this, to stay calm. आपको अपने आप को make sure करना है कि हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, गंदा भी गया तो it's okay. I will give my 100% and I'll be honest. That's it. These were the tips that I wish I was told earlier, and I really, really hope that these tips help you. Also, see, there is no such thing as perfection. Okay, it is about your confidence and how you clearly communicate your thoughts. That is it. Okay, also do let me know in the comment section कौन सा ऐसा tip था जो that really hit you hard. And if you're appearing for the IPM interview, I wish you all the very best. With that being said, I hope you slay and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.